it's Brandon from Magic Land Vacations, the travel planning genies. And today we're at Disney's Riviera Resort and we're going to experience the brand new character dining breakfast at Topolino Terrace. And I say brand new because of new social distancing. If this is your first time joining us today, make sure you like and subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can get all the Disney Universal vacation tips directly into your inbox to receive notifications. As I said before, now my name is Brandon. I am the owner of Magic Land Vacations, the travel planning genies, and today, let's go have some fun with our favorite Disney characters. So right now we just walked in and we told them that we were here for our dining reservations, and just check out the beautiful lobby all around me of the Disney Riviera Resort. It opened in December of 2019 and it is a really stunning lobby. Look how beautiful this is. Ah, it's so beautiful. All right, so I'm about to go up the elevator, and I want everybody to know that there's actually two sets of elevators. There's the east and a west elevators, and if you're gonna go to Topolino Terrace, you wanna make sure that you take the east elevators. So if you look right here, we have Topolino Terrace on 10. So that's where we're headed. All right, here we are. We are on the 10th floor of Topolino Terrace, and as you can see, the first thing we're gonna notice is as soon as we get here to Topolino Terrace, you're gonna notice right here, it says, we need to check in with our mobile phone. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna check in with our mobile phone. I'm gonna actually walk you guys how to do that. And you can see that we have this really amazing seating area right here where we can wait to be called for our dining reservation. All right, so now I'm on my Walt Disney World app, and now I'm gonna scroll down to my plans so I can do the online check-in process. This is how you now check into all of your dining reservations. So now I'm in my plans, and you're gonna see that I have my Topolino Terrace Character Breakfast right there at Disney's Riviera Resort, so I'm gonna click on that. And then when I scroll in, you can see, hey, look, it says I can start the check-in process. Now, it won't let you check in until at least 15 minutes beforehand, so I'm gonna hit start check-in, and it's gonna ask how many are in my party. And now I'm going to says if I'm going to do a mobile accessibility, but I'm going to skip this. And it's also going to ask me if I have any dietary requests, which I don't, so I'm going to skip that as well. It's going to ask me for celebrating anything, which we are celebrating. We're going to say other. We're celebrating Disney World being back open. And now you can see this is basically going to show me how many people are in my party, because they want to know if you have children or adults, mobile accessibility, dietary requests, and celebrations. And it's double checking our phone number. And done. I'm all checked in. So now all I have to do is wait for a text that will tell me when my table is officially ready. See how easy that was? So when you come to have your character breakfast at Disney's Riviera Resort, you can't not come outside to this amazing balcony and check out the incredible view all around you. Oh my goodness, it's absolutely amazing view. And I'm gonna flip my camera around so you can see what I'm talking about. So you can see that's Disney's Caribbean Beach Resort straight out in front of us. This is all Disney's Caribbean Beach Resort, this whole entire area in front of us. You can see the Skyliner up above as well to my right as I pan over. The Skyliner, which has a stop at Caribbean Beach as well as at the Riviera Resort. And then directly down in front of us, you can see the pool of the Riviera Resort. Just an amazing view. Actually, if you look even further back, you can see basically all of Orlando. It's just a beautiful view. All right, so we just got seated at our table, and if we look behind me, we can see that we are doing social distancing, so there's not a lot of people. There's a lot of space between every single table that we have. And when you sit down, you're gonna get one of these, which will allow you to scan a QR code so that way you can access the menu and what you are going to order for your breakfast. And check out this beautiful view behind me. can actually see the pool behind us. Yay! Love the view. And I'm gonna flip this around to give you guys a really quick view of the dining room. All right, so now the QR code is what I'm gonna scan, and I'm gonna go ahead and open that up. Really easy, you just tap on it. And boom, there we have. Now we have the breakfast menu. And if we click on entrees, this will tell me all the entrees that I can choose today for my breakfast. Hooray! All right, so we actually just got our bread service. And of course, I love club soda, so I got my club soda. But if you love the passion guava orange juice combo, they do have the pog juice here. Delicious. And the bread comes in this really fun paint bucket that is filled with pastries and croissants. We have chocolate chip muffins like this. We also have these little apple danishes, and they used to have chocolate sauce dipping with them. We don't have chocolate sauce, but we have honey butter. Who doesn't love honey butter? And then, of course, we have some delicious jam as well. I thought this was like an apple strudel, but it's not. It's like almost like a, I don't know if it's an almond croissant with something in there. It's just delicious, okay? Just delicious. All right, so we just got our food. This is the quiche, as you can see. Beautiful quiche. We have potatoes and the special sausage, the vegetarian sausage. And here is my waffles. That looks absolutely delicious. And oh my goodness, look, it's Mickey Mouse is here. He's here. Yay! Let's check out the characters. So there you have it. That's what it's like to dine at Disney's French Riviera Resort for character dining breakfast. Riviera, Disney's Riviera. I don't know. I'm adding in French because everything seems like it's French here. They have French bakery and everything else.
French, Italian, everything.
Yeah, French, Italian, it's all the same. It's all the same. That's what we're saying. It was an awesome character dining experience, even with social distancing. We will have to put the mask back on because we're heading to the Magic Kingdom. If you haven't already, make sure you guys like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for all the best Disney and Universal travel planning tips. Again, my name is Brayden. I'm the owner of Magic Land Vacations. Thank you so much for watching, and be sure to check out these other amazing videos here and here. Check this one out. And then you can check that one out. Check this one, and then that one. This one, and that one. This one, and that one. This one, and that one. Yeah!